Joe, I'm not into the chords yet. Chill out. I'm just finger picking.
Joe's like crippled hands. He had it burned bad, really bad. He got burned bad, really
Listen,
a long time ago.
It was 8th to 9th grade summer.
No, that was the 8th grade summer.
No, 8th to 9th. Joe,
2013.
Is that?
I tip you. But...
Here, I'll tip you. I'll tip me for you. Here, you can borrow this and just tip me. Make it look like I'm good.
All right.
Here, wait, no, wait, Joe, I'll use that.
Wait, we can all tip him. Everybody pull out your money and tip him. Joe, I got you. Your turn. I'll give you a $5 bill.
You're Jewish, I know you. Thank you.
Is there a phone in there? Hey, Morgan.
Morgan, come here. We'll go around. All right, get this shot pressed.
I don't want to be in a video.
No. It's just you're going to be bending up. My money.
What's that about though?
Joe's making a business.
I love how he bites his lip.
I know. He gets really into it. He's like,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's a lovely moment.
Is he gonna do it or what? Oh, here we go.
See, everybody knows.
Of course, my mom has to answer. I play for money. Put it in the guitar.
No, put it down.
You'll never get that. Your dad will find it. Where'd that dog come
You know, I'm parched. I'm gonna grab a swig.
Continue to strum.
This is a discriminatory vending machine. It won't take any of my cash. Yes, you do.
This is so, it's fading too.
Please, no, please.
Alright, looks like we're not playing the thinking one, whatever. Oh,
Ew.
that sound. Yes. I'll put it up here.
Go just take my dog. Please. So, no, Joe, and then. Dude, four.
Get in there. Come on.
Take this time.
There we go.
Teach me your ways.
I'll show you the one note I can play on the ukulele.
It doesn't transfer. This is taking my dog. It's making me sick.
Do you have any other dollars you can get?
Nah, I'm pretty sure I tried all of them.
Did you? Why are they all so cool? No, I bet you this one
Because I don't believe in
worked.
wallets.
But you used to have a wallet?
I used to. That was the old Joe. That's the old Joe. What kind of diabolical villain are you?
Figured out an musical did
I wasn't sure I could survive on
It just has to come.
Okay, wait. I think it's $20.
I don't want your old crinkly dollar.
I have a lot of old crinkly dollars. We'll try this one.
Where is that dollar?
Where's what dollar?
The dollar you gave to me, where'd it go?
Look at that. That's a quality vending machine right there.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Joe, why'd you give me this one?
You said you wanted the crappy one.
I said I wanted that. Did you put it in there? Do you have? Ew, that's probably gonna be gross.